AVAproject provides a variety of tools and options that enable users to manage the look and manner in which the opening schedule is organized. Rows can be copied, pasted, split, and combined, while columns can be rearranged, hidden, or sorted as required. Individual columns can be sorted with a single click, while more complex multi-field sorts can be built with ease. The ability to resort the opening schedule is extremely convenient and offers a variety of options in terms of presentation and editing. Estimators will often want to manipulate the data in the schedule to see pertinent details of a project, such as all pairs of doors or all right openings. This is a great way to see and share information with colleagues and clients. However, it does change the original order in which openings were scheduled. Row sequence numbers were built for the purpose of preserving a specific order in which data is to be presented. As data is entered into the opening schedule, sequence numbers are automatically assigned to each row as it's added. There are two methods to utilize them that are offered by AVAproject. The first and most popular method is to add the specific sequence numbers column offered in the information group. This is a read-only column that contains the sequence numbers assigned to each row of the schedule. The second method is to select Tools in the menu bar and open the AVAproject preference window. Within the Openings tab, select the box labeled Use Automatic Sequence Numbers to preserve the order in which rows are entered. When selected, the row sequence numbers will replace the traditional row numbers displayed at the beginning of each row of the opening schedule, and are identified by a decimal following each. Regardless of how often the schedule is resorted, the sequence numbers are preserved. The row sequence numbers remain connected to their original row, regardless of the sorting order. As such, the schedule can always be resorted to its original order. This can be done by either right-clicking on the sequence number column or on the top left corner of the opening schedule and selecting Sort by Row Sequence Number. When new information is filled in, additional lines of data will be appended with the next numerically highest sequence number. Whether a row is added to the middle or end of this opening schedule, the newly added row will be assigned a sequence number greater than the last one entered. When rows in the opening schedule are replicated, either by copying them or splitting single lines into multiple, sequence numbers are replicated as well. A duplicate of a given row will also carry the same sequence number. Should the need arise, the row sequence numbers themselves can be reset at any time, in order to preserve the current ordering of the openings in the schedule. Once again, this can be done by either right-clicking on the sequence number column or on the top left corner of the opening schedule and selecting Reset Row Sequence Numbering. This option brings up a confirmation window to avoid accidental use. When confirmed, the row sequence numbers are restarted from 1 through to the last line of the opening schedule.